Do you want to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting them from your phone? Then in this video I will show you exactly how to remove photos from Google Photos only while keeping the original photos safely stored on your iPhone or Android. Now here I am using my Android device. So what I will do at first is I will go to Google Photos, tap on the profile icon, go to Photos setting, go to backup, and then at first let me turn off this backup. After that what I will do is I have to use Google Photos in web browser in my computer. Remember, you have to delete the photos from Google Photos by using a computer. Let me show you. So I will open any web browser, then I will look for Google Photos, then I will open Google Photos website, and then I have to log in with the same Gmail account that I have used in my phone. Then I can select those photos that I want to delete from Google Photos only, and then select the delete icon here and move to trash. Now these photos will be deleted only from Google Photos and not from your phone. And later on you can enable backup of your photos from your Android phone or iPhone to Google Photos again. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful.